Alright guys, excuse the crude video. I set up a quick overhead because I wanted you to see at the exact same time what I see. I'm super excited at what's in this box. So let's get to it. As you can see, I am opening it for the first time. It just arrived today. Let me cover my address there. Oh yeah, what do we got? As you guys know, Christopher Ward just recently had a big release. Yes, that's right. They sent one to me. So check this beauty out. This is the very first time that I am seeing it in person. Yeah, I know there's 8 bazillion of them on the internet already. They did a monster release with this watch. Here, let me pull it back real quick. Alright, so here it is. You guys are getting a look at it at the very same time that I am getting the first look. I didn't get to pick the color that I wanted, but it just so happened to be they sent me the color that I did. If I was to pick one of these up, it would either be in black or white. I covered their 12 and I absolutely loved the watch, but I wasn't a big fan of the color. I know that a lot of you are, so I'm not beating the color up. I'm just saying that I'm a little more into monochrome style watches. This thing is, first impression, this thing is crazy nice. Obviously this is not going to be a review. I just opened it up at the exact same time. I saw it for the first time at the same time that you guys did. But I am super impressed. Taking a look at the movement. I got to do my research on this, but I believe they are calling this the 003 movement. It is a second in-house movement by Christopher Ward. And this thing is, it's an extremely big deal. I mean, what's happening here, I think that Christopher Ward just went from being a really big fish in a small pond to being a small fish in an ocean. They have leveled up. There's no doubt about it. There's not very many independent brands doing what they're doing currently. I mean, just look at this thing. I don't want to wind it because, again, I got to do the research, but I believe the power reserve on this is 5 or 6 days, which is absolutely crazy. And if you guys don't know what the big deal about this free-sprung balance wheel is, please tune in. I'm going to cover this in detail. This is an absolutely insane thing to see at a price point of this watch. Just want to say thank you to Christopher Ward for sending it out, but more importantly, I want to say thank you to you for watching, because if you didn't watch the content, I wouldn't have an opportunity to do the stuff that I'm doing. As a watch enthusiast, someone who absolutely loves watches, this is like a dream come true. So having the opportunity to try these things out before they're even available on the market is not something I thought I would ever be doing. So thank you, and I will see you guys soon.